I'd like to talk now about the high pressure system that operates from the pumps all the way to the hose reels and ultimately out to your gun. We put in 2,500 psi high pressure hydraulic hoses that come from each of the pumps into the back of the manifold. And then from the manifold, they go out to the various hose reels, the same high pressure, oversized hydraulic lines, so we can get the maximum flow of liquid and the maximum pressure all the way from the pump to the gun. And then on the hose reels, these are also special as well. This is a special Green Pro design hose reel management system, the roller system, so that your hoses fall straight down out of the hose reel. And then we have two buttons on each hose reel. Here again, it's all about efficiency and productivity. So if you're pulling the hose from this side of the truck, I could use this button here to my left. However, if I was pulling hose from this side of the truck, then I could pull the hose in and push the button on this side. Here again, efficiency. We're all about making your technician as productive as we possibly can.